Croc and Allie, Friends Forever by Derek Anderson. Move over. Will you please move over? You're hogging the whole sofa, said Croc. I like to be close to you, said Allie. That does it, said Croc. Come on, we're gonna trade this sofa for 2 chairs. You can pick out any chair you want, said Croc. Allie sat on all the chairs, a hard one, a soft one, a tall one, a funny one. Allie picked the perfect chair. Croc picked a chair too. Do you like your new chair? Said Croc. I like it, said Allie. But I like my chair more when it is next to your chair. Mr. Grumpy Pants. Croc was grumpy. He was grumpy with the rain. He was grumpy with the mud. He was grumpy with the bugs. He was grumpy with Allie. Why are you so grumpy? Said Allie. Grumped Croc. Do you want to see what you look like? I will show you, said Allie. Look at me, said Allie. I'm grumpy. Do you want to see what you look like? I will show you, said Croc. Look at me. I'm so happy. I love everything. You look very happy, said Allie. How do you feel? Humph, said Croc. The moon is hiding. Where is the moon? Asked Allie. I don't know, said Croc. It must be hiding. I can't go to sleep until I find it, said Allie. We have to find it. Okay, said Croc. Croc and Allie looked in the trees. Croc and Allie looked in the pond. Croc and Allie looked under the rocks, but they couldn't find it. The moon had a very good hiding place. I know where to look, said Croc. There it is, said Allie. Thanks, Croc. You are a good friend. I know, said Croc. You are a good friend too. The end.